Ready to dive into Cambridge life? Welcome to Student Castle, your ultimate student oasis in the charming city of Cambridge. With a dazzling array of beautiful and spacious en-suites and studios to choose from, your student living dreams are about to get a serious upgrade. But let's talk about the perks. The property's got your back with inclusive features that'll make your head spin. Say goodbye to bill juggling as your rent covers everything from gas and electricity to water bills. Plus, with lightning-fast Wi-Fi and contents insurance included, you can focus on acing those exams and making lifelong memories. But it's not all about hitting the books. Need to burn off some steam. The fully equipped gym has got you covered. Craving a bit of fresh air? The outdoor courtyard is the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of lectures. And when it's time to hit the books, the study area is your secret weapon for academic success. And with BPP Cambridge and University of Cambridge just a pleasant stroll away, your academic adventures are about to reach new heights. But enough about the property, let's talk location. From buzzing bars like the Portland Arms to trendy hotspots like Vinyl Cambridge, Cambridge's nightlife scene has something for everyone. So why settle for ordinary when you can book your dream home at amberstudent.com today?